Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete a Facebook page permanently. 2025 update working. So for deleting a Facebook page there are multiple reasons for that. Let's show you how you can delete your Facebook page without any hassle. So first of all, if you have Facebook access with full control of the page, you have to log into Facebook, then click your profile photo on the top right, then see all profiles, then select the page that you want to switch into and click your page photo in the top right. You can then select settings and privacy, then click settings. You can click access the control in the left menu and then select page, delete page and click continue and follow the steps. You may be asked to re-enter your password. If you can't see the option to delete your page, make sure that you have a Facebook access with the full control of your page, and that's how you can delete your page from Facebook permanently. Hope this video helped you, and be sure to like, subscribe and comment, and see you on the next video.